see whether nature or nurture plays a role in synapses and neural networks is to analyze the nature of mental disorders. In solitary confinement, it is known that mental disorders thrive. What remains in question is whether or not these mental disorders are developed or genetic. Looking at the facts, 10% of people with a close relative with schizophrenia inherit the disease, and if a twin is diagnosed with schizophrenia, her identical twin will have a 50% chance of developing the disorder. Doctors have even found different genes which lead to a higher risk of schizophrenia, but all of this is known. What is unknown is to what extent the environment can alter the prophecy which your genes scripted out for you. First, there are environmental factors which occur in the womb. A maternal viral infection and malnutrition have been shown to play a large role in inducing schizophrenia. This can lead to improper synapse death and a lack of proper synapses within the brain. Then during puberty, when the synapses significantly drop, the brain is left with a lack of effective synapses, leading to schizophrenia. But environmental factors can influence child and adult brains in the same way. After being put into isolation, adult brain function drastically alters. In a study done by Grosson, he interviewed various subjects in solitary confinement. Each of them described symptoms which can be correlated with issues with connectopathy, such as hallucinations, hearing voices, paranoia, and obsessive internal thoughts. What is fascinating about these prisoners is that they tried to deny these symptoms. They found justification for the failures in their connectopathies, even if the justifications were completely irrational. Do these findings indicate physical rewiring of the brain? To look into this, the recidivism or tendency for a person to relapse into criminal behavior must be analyzed. In a study done by Lovell, Johnson, and Kane, criminals who were directly released from supermax prison conditions were twice as likely to commit a felony than their non-supermax counterparts within 3 months of their release. However, after 3 years, the criminals are at an equal probability of committing a crime. These results could be explained through speculation about the neural patterns.